a former steel town outside Glasgow with a population of just over 32,000. At the heart of it, Fir Park, home of the Steelmen, Motherwell FC, the first fan-owned top-flight club in the UK. Built by locals, backed by passion. Today they kick off their season against Rangers, and I'm here to take it all in. So I'm right around the corner from the ground now. Over there I can already see my mate Andrew, who I've met last year in Rio at a Flamengo match, and this is what he had to say, by the way.
So I'm here with Andrew, a Scottish lad, and the dude flew here to Rio to watch Flamengo because why?
It's cheaper than going to Germany.
And it's cheaper to come to Rio and to watch Flamengo than going to Germany to watch Scotland.
Man, you wouldn't believe the journey I had. Right, Andrew, first match of the season. What's your idea? Like,
It's always tough against Rangers, so
yeah,
well, fingers crossed. And just see what defence is the worst on the day. And
yeah. So give me a scoreline.
I'd go one each. At
One
least.
each. All right, I'd be good with that. Cheers.
I'd take a draw.
Speaking of Flamengo, by the way, the team from Rio lost here at Fir Park with a 9-2 scoreline in April 1960. And also, Motherwell are the only foreign team that has ever won a Spanish Copa del Rey. So there we go, I've got my ticket, I've got a program, I bought a little scarf, and I've been to the official bar right in front of the stadium, Club 100, but no beer in the world is worth standing behind that line, so I'm trying to go to another pub for a quick drink. It's a really nice old stadium, like the turnstiles, like paper tickets. I absolutely love this stadium. Look at this. 1, 2.
Andrew, it was so worth coming here. How do you feel? You predicted it right, 1-1.
Great. It's a draw, but I'll take it against this lot. Ideally, a win would have been better, but
Yeah.
you've got to take what you can get against this lot.
Yeah, but honestly, like, I didn't see, Rangers didn't really convince me in the first half. Okay, they scored. Motherwell weren't great either, but Motherwell came out of the cabin as a new team. Like, they were better in the second half, and that point is definitely deserved in my opinion.
Yeah. Final third, we were lacking a wee bit, but we managed to get the goal eventually.
Yeah.
And we were unlucky not to get a second, but we'll take what we've got.
Yeah. So, definitely a deserved point for Motherwell, and they sure have more to celebrate today than Rangers. But again, Rangers also had a difficult match during the week at Panathinaikos. But I really enjoyed the atmosphere. I really think it was worth coming here because so far I didn't know a lot about Scottish football outside of the old firm and the Scottish national team from way back in the day when I lived here between 2008 and 2010. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and also check out the Addiction Football shop right below this video. And if you happen to be a Motherwell fan, you can get an amazing canvas print of Fir Park